Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai, practically any Hyundai, Sonata, Santa Fe, Tucson, Elantra guys, Veloster, whatever it is, accent, and you have engine light on and any of the codes guys. I'm talking about code P0225 P0226 P0227 P0228 or P0229. Stay with us, we'll explain what can cause each of those codes. Make sure to stay until the end. It could be multiple things, and one of those things most of you will not think about. So we'll explain common mistakes people make that can cause you thousands of dollars as well. So let's explain what to do now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. Specifically, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata guys, but doesn't matter what vehicle you have. Now, if you have any of these codes, okay, well, let's explain something before we start guys. Many of you constantly ask me what scanner we use for diagnostic. This is the best one that we use for daily use guys. It's not expensive and it can pay itself off in one-time use. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check out. Okay, you can work on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing, it's very powerful, and you can read every computer in your car. For instance, this Hyundai has 17 computers in that Hyundai guys right here. You can access the computers, read codes, delete codes, and see live data. So it makes it super powerful. Now, what can cause these codes? Number one thing guys, okay, will be problems with the throttle body, but it could be something else as well. The throttle body is located usually on the intake manifold. Follow your the hose coming from the air filter box, it goes to the throttle body. Now every time you mess with the electronics, okay, especially being so close to the radiator fan, we recommend to disconnect the car battery. And on these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, what could happen? Actually guys, you can cause damage to the engine computer, electrical modules, electronics, which could be super costly and expensive. Once the battery is disconnected, what we'll recommend, this is okay, the wiring harness for the throttle body. Make sure that the wires are in good condition, not broken. Make sure that it's not unplugged. Sometimes they can come loose if it wasn't installed correctly, and it can come loose guys, and you can get these codes. So one thing to check, remove it, make sure you don't have dirt, dust, corrosion as well. Number two guys, it could be actually failing throttle body. We have multiple models, and we have a video on the channel that explains how to test it and all that stuff. So we'll definitely guys, okay, definitely recommend to test it out and see if the angles work and all that stuff. We have a video that will explain that. Now, with all that being said guys, okay, what else can cause that throttle body, okay, not to perform correctly? Okay, sometimes it's not a bad throttle body. It could be just really dirty. This one has 80,000 miles. We clean half of it, look what it looks like. Now, look on this side. It's terrible. We definitely recommend to clean those things. Sometimes it fixes your problem. If you want to see how to clean it, we have a special video that explains that, and the video is called on our channel, How to Clean Throttle Body on Hyundai. Definitely guys, check it out. Now, what else can cause that? Okay. Something else, but not very likely, it's still possible, okay? You need to make sure that your accelerator pedal right here is not disconnected, not malfunctioning as well. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test accelerator pedal guys. So, how to test accelerator throttle pedal on Hyundai, and that will explain, okay, if it's good or bad, because the accelerator pedal tells the engine computer how much to open the throttle body, and those two things work together. So, those are the most common things that can trigger these codes. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.